This week, the upcoming Made by Google event was digitally publicized on the Pixel Store without any mention of the announcement's contents. More details on the anticipated Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones were disclosed in Google Docs that were released immediately after the announcement. September 3rd, rumors are circulating that Google may decide against releasing the Pixel 8 family of smartphones in certain places with just a digital eSIM slot, only days before the Made by Google launch event and the anticipated presentation of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones. As reported by 9 to 5 according to Google's reports, actual SIM cards will be included with the Pixel 8 line of handsets. Other nations were only able to purchase devices with actual SIM cards, unlike several manufacturers, most notably Apple with the iPhone 14 series. Because there are fewer moving components and case holes when using eSIM, smartphones are more durable. However, real SIM cards are still widely used and aren't likely to disappear anytime soon. Could the split SIM method be used to the forthcoming Pixel devices? It is obvious that they could have, but Google seems to have chosen against it. We do know that Google has chosen a number of versions with and without support for mmWave 5G and UWB. The always trustworthy FCC provided the information. The US FDA provided the listings for a number of Pixel devices after Google confirmed its launch event on October 4th. 4 Pixel 8 and 3 Pixel 8 Pro variations were among the 7 that were offered.